Right, we're being asked to convert this quadratic equation into vertex form. And let's talk about these steps. First of all, the one that you get for free is the a value. This a value here is actually the exact same a value we have in our original function right here. That lead coefficient is always the same. So far, just from that first thing, is we get f of x equals, we'll just say negative or negative 1, x minus h squared plus k. And again, that first one, out of these three values, we're trying to get a, h, and k. A is the one we get for free. It's the same as in the standard form here. The next thing all we need to do is find the vertex, because the vertex in vertex form is at h, comma, k. So if we find our vertex, we're just going to plug those values in for h and k here. So let's do that real quick. To find our vertex, what we simply do is we use the vertex formula here. It happens at x equals negative b, so this is negative 12 over 2 times a, which is 2 times, and a is negative 1, as we previously talked about. This calculation would be negative 12 over negative 2, gives me at 6. So that's actually, if I'm trying to find my vertex here, it's 6 comma something. And to find out what the y value is, or the output, I just plug this in, plug in a 6 into this thing, so I get negative 1 times 6 squared plus 12 times 6, and then minus 11. Plug that in and calculate all of that. I get that this is 25. So my vertex is at 6 comma 25. And actually, that's all the work I need to do. So put all of that stuff together. What I have is the vertex form of this is negative, because that's the lead coefficient, negative 1, x, and then minus my h, which is minus 6 squared, and then plus 25. Again, these were the three values that I needed to figure out. First one came for free, and the h and the k come from figuring out the vertex.